It's your deal, your way.
Come test drive the 2019 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, alloy wheels, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking system, parking sensors, power brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, premium sound system, security system, MP3 player, cruise control, power outlets, child safety locks.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers. We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.